Is the world on the brink of a bigger war because of Iran and Israel? Tensions are boiling, airstrikes, covert missions, and political threats are now daily news in the Middle East. Why are Iran and Israel enemies in the first place? It goes back to 1979 when Iran's Islamic Revolution began. Iran opposes Israel's existence and supports groups like Hezbollah and Hamas, which Israel considers terrorist threats. Have Iran and Israel ever gone to war directly? No, but they've been fighting through others, what's called a proxy war. Iran funds and trains Hezbollah in Lebanon and militias in Syria. Israel responds with airstrikes and sabotage missions, targeting Iranian weapons convoys and nuclear facilities. Why is Israel so afraid of Iran? Because Iran is enriching uranium, a step toward building nuclear weapons. Israel has sworn it will never allow Iran to become nuclear-armed, fearing a direct existential threat. That's why Israel has sabotaged nuclear sites and even used cyber attacks like Stuxnet. What caused the latest tensions? In 2023, during the Gaza conflict, Iran praised and reportedly backed Hamas. Israel retaliated by bombing Iranian-linked targets in Syria and Lebanon. Iran responded with drone attacks and threats to close the Strait of Hormuz, a critical oil route. Over 20 Israeli strikes hit Syria in just 1 month. Is this a religious war? Partly. Iran is a Shia Muslim theocracy. Israel is a Jewish democracy. But underneath the religion lies a geopolitical power struggle. Iran wants to expand its influence across the Middle East. Israel wants to stop that. Can this war affect the whole world? Absolutely. Iran could shut down the Strait of Hormuz, choking oil supply to the world. The U.S. might back Israel, while countries like Russia or China could lean toward Iran. And if things spiral, this could trigger a regional or even global conflict. Has this happened before? No full-scale war yet. But we've seen major escalations, like in 2020, when the U.S. killed Iran's General Qasem Soleimani, or when Israel allegedly sabotaged Iran's nuclear sites. Each time, we've come dangerously close to the edge. What do you think? Is a war between Iran and Israel inevitable? Who would survive such a war? And who would suffer the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe.